Hi, this is Mike and welcome to this video on creating a CRUD feature from an existing database table using LymeStack. To start, let's have a look at our database table. We'll open up the My Company database that was created when we scaffolded the app, and we'll notice that there's this product table. When I open the product table, we'll see some fake data that represents data from an online office supply store. You can see it has about 20 records in it, and it's about 20 fields in length. In that, let's go back to LymeTools and select the Scaffold feature option. For the feature type, we'll select Generated, and for the new feature name, we'll type the name of our database table, Product, and it'll autofill the plural notation as products, and then we'll select our code generation options. In here, we'll see that the data connection for SQL Express is already pre-filled, and the database selected is the My Company database. For the SQL query, we have select star from product, which just gets us all the product records. When I select the preview code button, we'll see a code preview that appears to the right. In there, we'll see a schema tab, which is the root of this entire process. The schema tab is a collection of field names that were observed from the output of the SQL query. This means that you can also generate code for views and stored procedures as well. Now I'm going to select the Configure Fields button so that I can customize some options in my output. First thing that we'll do is select the fields that we would like to search by. We don't want to search by all these fields, so I'll say select none, and then I'll pick the fields I'd like to search by. So let's say I want to search by name, brand, description, and definitely want to search by price. Now when I view a list of this data, I don't want to search all of these fields either. So I'm going to go to the Search Fields tab and say Apply to List Fields. And then when I go back to the List tab, we'll see that those fields have been copied over from the Search Fields tab. And then we'll go ahead and add a few extra fields just for the heck of it. And I like to see price as my last field listed, so I'll reorder selected and drag the price field down to the bottom. When I click to view a product, I do want to see every field that's available, so I'll go ahead and leave this intact. And when I edit a product, I don't want to edit the ID field, so I'll remove that one, but I'll leave all the other ones in place. And lastly, I'll say that I want to create a nav menu item in my site's navigation, and I'll give it an icon. When I click the Scaffold feature, we see the work being done below. And then our app should automatically refresh, and we see a products menu. When I click it, we see the search form built to our specifications. And we can search by name, or we can search by price. I'll search for everything between $1 and $5. And we have a filtered list here. Then I'll go ahead and edit one of these items. And we see our data got written to the database. And then we can export our results to Excel. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. For more about LymeStack and what it can do for you as an Angular and .NET Web API web developer, visit www.lymestack.com.